On July 4th, the United States will celebrate the 244th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence by the 13 colonies from the British Empire in 1776. In addition to the Declaration of Independence in July 1776, another significant event occurred on 5 July 1950 when Task Force Smith of the U.S. 24th Division fought North Korean troops to preserve South Korean independence. The soldiers of Task Force Smith met the North Korean invaders near the village of Osan, Republic of Korea, but were defeated by better trained enemy forces equipped with T-34-85 tanks. On 17 July 1950, President Harry Truman authorized the Secretary of Defense to call up the Organized Reserve Corps for service in the Korean War, and on the 22nd of July, the Army requested Organized Reserve Corps officers to volunteer for the war. Not only did the Organized Reserve Corps call up 240,000 soldiers for the Korean War, but it also changed its name to the Army Reserve on 9 July 1952. Even though the U.S. suffered many defeats in the first year of the war, it was able to win victories in 1951, and both sides signed an armistice on 27 July 1953. The U.S. had kept South Korea independent and kept the Korean War from escalating into World War III. In addition, even though President Truman had issued an executive order desegregating the U.S. Armed Forces on 26 July 1948, it took the Korean War to put an end to the last segregated unit.